Today we're going to do a wonderful snack. This is Bhakarwadi. Now this snack has a lot of interesting flavors all combined together. So let's get started and check out the recipe. To make Bhakarwadi, first I'm going to mix the dough. For this I've taken 1 cup of Maida or all-purpose flour. Add 2 tablespoons of Besan or gram flour. Half teaspoon of salt. Heat some oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. So you can see it's quite hot. I'm just going to pour this into the flour mixture. So you can see it's nice and it's bubbling. So make sure the oil is nice and hot while pouring it into the flour mixture. So as you can see, after adding the oil, the flours come to a nice crumbly texture. I'm going to gradually pour some water and knead the dough. I've kneaded the dough, close it and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. For the Bhakarwadi, I'm going to dry roast a few ingredients and make a nice filling. For this, I've taken 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. Next, add 1 tablespoon of white sesame seeds, half tablespoon poppy seeds. Next, add half cup of dry desiccated coconut. So you can see the desiccated coconut is nice golden color. Turn off the stove and keep it aside. Cool the mixture completely. Transfer the ingredients to the mixer jar. To this add half teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon sugar. So you can adjust the salt and sugar according to your taste. Grind everything to a nice fine powder. The dough is nice and soft. Now divide the dough into 3 or 4 portions, depending on what size you want to roll it out. So take a nice large dough ball. So I'm going to divide it into 4. Gently roll out the dough ball to a medium thickness. Don't make it too thick or too thin. I've taken 1 small teaspoon of sweet tamarind chutney, place it onto the rolled out dough and spread it evenly. Take a teaspoon of the Bhakarwadi mixture and place it on the rolled out dough. Just make sure you spread it out evenly on all sides. Dab a little water on the edges of the rolled out dough surface, so that when you roll it, it sticks well and it's well sealed. So make sure you roll it nice and tight. So I'm just going to seal the ends. Cut the rolled out dough into half-inch pieces. So gently flatten it, just put a little pressure and just flatten it gently. Heat some oil for deep frying. Keep the flame on medium. Once the oil is heated, reduce the flame to a low and gently drop the prepared Bhakarwadi pieces into the hot oil. Deep fry them till they are a nice golden brown color. So you can see I'm frying them in low flame and you can see the color gradually turning to a nice golden brown color. So make sure you deep fry them slowly. You can see the Bhakarwadi has come to a nice golden brown color. Remove them from the oil. So there you go. Here is this delicious Bhakarwadi, which you can enjoy anytime. You can make it ahead of time and put it in an airtight container and enjoy it as a snack. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.